You don't need a machine that sits idle. You need one that's ready to work. The new Kioti MX Series mini excavators are built for performance, durability, and efficiency on every job site with smooth hydraulic control, zero tail swing, and reduced tail swing models, and factory standard features like a hydraulic thumb, a 24-inch bucket, angle blade, auxiliary hydraulics, and quick coupler. The MX Series is ready to perform from day one. The Kioti MX Series fully equipped, ready to perform. Stop in today or visit us at hoovertractor.com.